Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 6th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let us begin the class.
Dear students, this video is for class 6 students and of mathematics. We are entering into a new chapter. The chapter is named as symmetry, and you can see a photograph on the screen, and this photograph is taken just because by seeing the symmetry in the butterfly. Yes, the chapter is something having connection with the beauty of things in nature. So what is symmetry? Symmetry is something which is having a kind of axis, or what we say, ये जो बटरफ्लाई के देखने के टाइम आपको एक चीज़ समझ में आ रहा है, एक चीज़ ये समझ में आ रहा है कितना अच्छा बनाया है, तो फिर ये सोचना पड़ता है क्यों इतना अच्छा लग रहा है। इसलिए लग रहा है कि उनके विंग्स देखेगा तो उसके ऊपर का डिज़ाइन देखेगा, उसका लेफ्ट राइट देखेगा, टॉप बॉटम देखेगा, तो आपको लगता है कि कुछ किसी न किसी ने प्लानिंग से बनाया है। जो लेफ्ट में है, जो राइट हाफ में है, जो लेफ्ट राइट हाफ में है, वैसे लेफ्ट हाफ में है। दो एंटीने हैं, दो टेल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, डिज़ाइन भी वैसे मैच होता है। दिस इज व्हाट इज बेसिकली सिमेट्री. It is there in many things in nature. It is there in sunflower. It is there in even in the formation of body of animals. Left, right, top, bottom, division and symmetry. आपको समझने के लिए और दो तीन ऐसा जो आपने देखा हुआ चीज़ दिखाता हो। ये तो घर का या अपने घर में आने वालों का टूल्स हो गया, इसको भी एक सिमेट्री है। आधा कर दिए तो वो आधा करने का मतलब I have to 1 second. I will show you how that particular concept of अगर मैं इसको ऐसा डिवाइड कर दिया, दो हाफ हो जाता है, and it becomes similar, looks alike, mirror image जैसा है। वैसे हमारा बटरफ्लाई को भी था, बटरफ्लाई को देखे तो क्या है, बटरफ्लाई के केस में वो सिमेट्री अलग था। बटरफ्लाई के केस में हमको ऐसा सिमेट्री मिलेगा। करेक्ट। अगर हम बटरफ्लाई को ऐसा एक एक्सिस से देखेगा, ऐसा एक मिरर रखा है सोचेंगे, तो आपको लगेगा वो सिमेट्री समझ में आएगा। राइट एंड लेफ्ट, आई एम राइटिंग राइट हियर, यू आर राइट, नॉट या बटरफ्लाई इज राइट, राइट हियर, लेफ्ट हियर, राइट लेफ्ट सिमेट्री है। Even on this there is a symmetry, इधर एक, दूसरा साइड में। There are some kind of symmetry in nature everywhere around. So आप सोचते होंगे इसमें मैथ्स बुक में ये क्यों आए? मैथ्स बुक में इसलिए आए, आगे जाके आपको मैथ्स में ज्योमेट्री पढ़ना है। चलो वो भी आपको भारी लगेगा सुनेगा तो। आपके हाथ में जो भी चीज़ है और आपके सामने कितने भी चीज़ है, सब पहले पेपर में ड्रॉ करने के बाद बनाया होगा। आपके पेन के अंदर का जो रिफिल है उसका लेंथ परफेक्ट होना मांगता है, और टॉप और पेन परफेक्ट होना तभी वो बैठता है। मतलब एवरीथिंग इज हैविंग एन एक्यूरेसी ऑफ मेजरमेंट। फॉर दैट वी नीड टू हैव ए कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दैट इन द पेपर। जैसे मैं पहले बताया, मेमोरी कार्ड कौन सा भी मोबाइल में डालो, सिम कार्ड डालो, वो बराबर बैठते क्योंकि उतना एक्यूरेट है इसका मेजरमेंट। तो कंस्ट्रक्शन करके एक सेशन है अपने मैथ्स में। तो कंस्ट्रक्शन में जाने के पहले बहुत सारी तैयारी चाहिए। आपको सिमेट्री का कंसेप्ट चाहिए। ये देखो, फिगर्स बना के उसमें सिमेट्री करके दिखाया. एंड दिस लाइन, द डॉटेड लाइन, इज कॉल्ड द एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री. Axis symmetry is that line which will divide that particular image or object into two perfect mirror images. मतलब mirror रखेगा तो आपको image mirror में वैसा मिलेगा. Understood? So that is very important in understanding the concept. We call that line by which we can divide that figure or object into two mirror images, identical. When we keep a mirror over there, you will get an image and the figure will become complete. That line is called axis of symmetry, and it is also called the reflection symmetry or reflection of that image. We can see that here is a set of diagrams related to a small puppy, I can say. All these are reflections of that. Vertical and horizontal reflections, and we get reflections on mirror. Mirror reflection is the most common reflection for in our day-to-day life. And even when we look into the mirror close by, we know that when we raise our left hand, the right hand in the mirror, right hand of the image in the mirror will be lifted. That means left, right inversion is there when we see the image in the mirror. But these are coming out of the concept of symmetry and axis only. You might have seen, your textbook is also referring, this is the way by which mathematically we draw a line in order to show a mirror. This line can be considered as a mirror. If you consider this line as mirror, so see this distance from the mirror to the object, it will be equal to this distance, and this distance will be equal to this distance. So we are getting a reflection of it. Earlier in 5th standard, you studied about a reflection in a different way, where you found that, I will show you another example. Suppose that if I am writing D over here, the D will be reflected like this in the mirror, right? But if I am writing A over here, it will be similar over here. If I am writing L over here, it will be like this in the mirror. These are images. And this where we keep the mirror, this is called the line of reflection. This chapter is mainly, or this video is mainly to make you understand a concept of axis of symmetry and the concept of reflection. So in that angle you should look in. The questions are also just like you observe the given figure in the textbook and give the answer. It can be given orally in the classroom, but in this case you will be doing it at home and you will be getting the correct answer without anybody's help, without anyone's help or anything. Okay, so that is the purpose of it. Let me move ahead. What more is there to be conveyed? Here you can see what is written here is clear to you now. You have seen this also, unfortunately. This way the ambulance is written in front of the ambulance vehicle. अगर आपके पास अभी मिरर है और वो मिरर लेके अभी आपका मोबाइल स्क्रीन या कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के सामने आप देखेंगे, मिरर के अंदर स्क्रीन देखेंगे, तो जो मैंने एनसर्कल किया अभी ब्लैक कलर से, उधर आपको एम्बुलेंस अच्छा से पढ़ने मिलेंगे. तो why it is so? Because of the reflection concept. Secondly, why it is written like this in front of the ambulance van? Because ambulance van पीछे से आने के टाइम जो सामने वाले गाड़ी का ड्राइवर मिरर में देखेगा तो एम्बुलेंस आ रहे हो पढ़ने को ना मांगता है, इसलिए ऐसा लिखा है. So we are simply making use of the concept of reflection in a practical situation where in the mirror we can read ambulance easily, and we can identify ambulance easily which is coming from our back or from the rear side of the vehicle. इसलिए वो उल्टा लिखा है और मिरर में ये सीधा पढ़ने होगा. अगर सीधा लिखा होता तो आप जब मिरर में देखने के टाइम ये भी देख लीजिए, ये तो आपको ऐसा दिखेगा, ये आपको सीधा दिखेगा. Understood? So this is one of the practical application. Unfortunately, ambulance के बारे में बोलना पड़ता है, but it is practically we are using it. Okay, we'll move ahead. What more is there in the textbook? Axis of symmetry, reflectional symmetry can be shown with the help of English alphabets very easily. All this what is shown is reflection symmetry. Suppose if you keep mirror over there, naturally you will be getting the image complete in the mirror because the axis is of reflectional symmetry. But on the other hand, if I put a line like this, it is not a reflectional symmetry because you will not get the image complete, and even if I simply think of that in a different way, look here. This is the axis of symmetry, and I am writing A over here. So A will be like this here. But if I keep a mirror over here, if suppose this is mirror, then I will be getting A like this. So there is a difference in this. And if I put an axis of symmetry here, you will not get half over here, this will be like this. But on the other hand, if I put a symmetry over here, you will be getting this equal to this distance, and the A will be complete. So reflection symmetry is slightly a concept where you are getting reflection of the given image. Okay, very simple chapter, only informative chapter. You will read what is given here. If a symmetrical figure gets divided by an axis in the figure into two parts, दो part में divide होता है, which fall exactly on each other, then symmetry is called reflectional symmetry. Okay. मिरर होने की वजह से आपको जल्दी समझेगा. Suppose that आपको ये accurately करना है, then we need to use a graph paper. A graph paper will help you to exactly create a reflectional symmetry or check it. Here there is a line considered to be, in our case, mirror, and this is a line drawn, and this is its reflection. So what we have to do is, we have to measure this distance. Equal distance, put a dot. Then measure this distance. Equal distance on the right side, put a dot. Then connect these two lines. You can make exact copy of this, and it will be the reflection of AB. The line segment AB is reflected here, and this line is called reflection symmetry. Practically, we can use a graph paper for this purpose. Okay, we'll move ahead. Simply you have to observe, nothing to do, nothing to draw. So here is another reflection symmetry shown with the help of graph paper. You can see that here it is written, there is a common way of writing. If it is P here, this is P here, then P dash is written. That dash indicates that it is reflected image. Q, Q dash. Understood? These are something which is universally accepted, and आप बड़ा होके किधर भी कुछ ऐसा सिचुएशन रिफ्लेक्शन के बारे में सिमेट्री हुआ डैश डालेगा तो मालूम पड़ेगा वो इमेज है. वो साइंस में भी वैसा ही, एक मैथ्स में भी वैसा ही, यूनिवर्सली ट्रू इट इज. ओके, इसे हर चीज़ पढ़ने के लिए उसका लैंग्वेज सीखना ज़रूरी है. सिमेट्री का लैंग्वेज आपको समझ में आ रहा है. So here I am closing this video. Video is quite short, I know, and the chapter is also very short. Concept is something beautiful. Symmetry gives beauty to the things. कुछ भी आप बनाएगा उसमें सिमेट्री है तो उसका ब्यूटी अलग है। और अभी आएगा आपको कुछ बनाना है, दीपावली में कुछ रंगोली डालना है, तभी भी हम क्या करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ सिमेट्री यूज़ करेगा। सिमेट्री बिना रंगोली अच्छा ही नहीं लगेगा, करेक्ट? समथिंग यू विल यूज सो दैट some kind of symmetry you will use so that it will be having its own beauty. So symmetry adds to the beauty, and it is having some relationship with accuracy in its measurement, accuracy in its shaping and structure, which you will be studying in higher classes under mathematics only. And for that, these are something basic ideas. Thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.